Google Earth has mapped out pretty much the entire globe. Its images are accessible to us all through a few clicks of a mouse. Julian Bayliss is a butterfly expert who has spent years using Google Earth to examine rainforests in Africa. In 2012, he made out an image of a crater on top of a mountain in the African nation. Within that crater, there seemed to be a pristine rainforest high up in the sky. 5 years later, Bayliss took a team of 28 researchers to Mozambique to find out what was in that untouched forest. Among them were several completely new species, including a type of butterfly that Bayliss later named after the mountain. Even more surprisingly, they found evidence of human settlement in the sky-high jungle. Old clay pots were discovered strewn about in the dense, remote forest. South America was the last continent colonized by humans.